What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and right now we are going to go over the Atomi Smart string lights. And this is the most asked question about the string lights, and people are basically asking how to set up your own scene. Now, you can't really create a scene, but there's only one way to create a scene. All right, so I'm gonna turn it on right now. I just turned it on. I just got it on regular flashing lights. I'm gonna go ahead and go to multi. Well, first you want to go to scene. So I'm screen recording, so you can obviously see what I'm doing. But you want to go to scenes right there beside color, and you want to go to multi. Okay. Once you go on multi, you want to hold. Oh, not multi, sorry about that. You want to go to pick 2. Once you go to pick 2, you have to hold the button down. So right here, when you go to pick 2, you want to hold it down. Oh, sorry. Hold it. There you go. All right, so you want to hold it down, and then you could pick 2 colors. And the 2 colors I pick for this is basically baby shower colors. So I have boy as blue, girl as pink. And there you go. And you can obviously change the name, and you could put baby shower if you want to put baby shower. You could put baby shower right there. I don't know why. Oh, and it won't let you spell it out that long. So we're just gonna put baby shower. All right, so we put baby shower right there. We go back, and then that is set as our scene. I tried to do this with everything else and it wouldn't work. So I hold strobe light, it don't work. Fade, pulse, blink. So I'm holding all the other ones down and you can't do it. Okay. America, multi. So the only way to set your own scene is to go right there on your pick 2. Now I changed it to baby shower, but now you can hold this down. And if you have a birthday party, you have a certain theme for your birthday party, you can put, I don't know, it could be orange and purple, whatever. And you can rename it and say birthday. All right, birthday, confirm. And that's it. So that's the only way to set your own scene. And I hope that helped y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe.